that same we have Kids are looking usually seeing that it's a light ocean. Isn't that? And that's the beauty of creativity. And in Montessori you would appreciate this because you have so many shades of green just in this. All those 7 shades. I think if I bring it, I'll be
like Ganesha's Nagve. So if we keep our water or water near the cave, we can see more fishes in the valley.
very
Also,
nice.
one opportunity to actually present our ideas and we created as well.
Okay, please. Thank you.
Yeah. So here we have introduced there is a boy and a girl. We have introduced the gender here. That's the he and she. And then it's a blog concept what we are doing it. It's all about the short tail and the long tail. And then this is a boy who's also a jack, I can tell, and this is Jill. And the boy is actually showing up where there's a hill on top. So the concept of up, top and down is here. And then we are also giving the concept of colors. We have colors over here wherein we can ask to inculcate green is grass, blue is clouds. And we have also made a dress for the girl with different twist here. The twisting is again with multicolors, which we have used the 2 colors here. And then there goes a rhyme, and it's here shortcuts. We have this, and we have clouds are like valleys.
We want
The spider. This is the bird to catch the spider. You want to be here, but you know what?
मैडम इधर देखिए
हम सारे ग्रुप को बिठाएंगे.
1 minute okay ma'am.
My name is Mehak Valecha. I am part of ECA, and I'm very happy that ECA has given us a platform where we are taking care of our children's early 2000 days of their life. And we want to make sure that in India we will be having one organization that can take care of all the preschools, at the base level, so that all preschools should have happiness and healthiness of the children, and they should be creative in their spirit. Thank you.
Early Childhood Association is actually an NGO where all people related to preschool education have come together. It's across India, and it's in April that it has been launched in Hyderabad, where we 3, this is Mandeep from Chirek, Mehak from Oak Ridge, Jaya from Premiers. There is one more member who is not here. That's Radhika from Kindercare, and I am Kausar from Premiers. We are the committee of ECA who are working on these workshops. We organize these workshops where we call school principals, teachers, and we are trying to equip them with the new learning that can help them in their preschool teaching. Mandeep can talk a little about it.
Yeah, and it's actually a very good opportunity for all of us to be together, to work as a team. But definitely our motto, our objective is to give the best education and give the best environment to children. So, and we are very glad to work towards it.
ECA also does a lot of research work. After their research, they kind of create manuals and books which are very helpful for preschool learning. You can see this manual. It's a child safety manual. This is, very briefly they have given the instructions which each school should have. If each school can follow this, then we can say it's a safe school. So these kind of videos, lot of books, simple manuals, they print and they kind of circulate in preschools. So we want, till now we have not seen lot of of development. We have seen preschools, we have seen like 20-25 preschools in each area, but we have not seen any organization which are regulating them, right? Where they are being guided, where there is a standard. So this ECA is trying to do that in Hyderabad through all of us. We are, we are just working out of our, as a team, out of our school work, we are trying to work on creating those guidelines for all preschools. Across India, if you see, there are thousands of members. They are of different categories. They are advisors, they are active members, and then they are members. Like from each field, there are a lot of members. They are educationalists, they are film actors, there are a lot of from different doctors.
They can be teachers, they can be parents,
They can be anybody.
educationists, they can be preschool owners, K-12 school owners, the people who are selling toys, they can also be part of this ECA.
And
We've
we are
seen that
coming
the media
together.
companies are also the part of it.
Part of ECA.
Part of
And what they are trying to do is, look, I have a product, I have a preschool. I don't know that how child friendly is my preschool. So the ECA will help me understand, okay, this is not, it still have to be worked on in your school.